We understand the public health need here, and we have to be very conscious about should this work, how do we get this in the hands of as many patients around the globe as possible as fast as we can. Our primary focus is to be ready with a treatment or a prevention mechanism that will help the world and make sure that patients have access to it.
Gilead Sciences Incorporated said Thursday it expects to make more than 2 million doses of COVID-19 treatment remdesivir by the end of the year. In May, the antiviral therapy received an emergency use authorization to treat COVID-19 after a major trial found it sped recovery by about 4 days in hospitalized patients. It is already being used in clinical practice. In its second quarter earnings report, Gilead said it expects adjusted earnings per share of $6.25 to $7.65, higher than the $6.74 that analysts had expected, according to Bloomberg data. The company also said it will study the use of remdesivir earlier in COVID-19, the disease caused by the novel coronavirus, in upcoming trials as well as in combination with other therapies and in additional patient groups. In addition to the critical work of advancing remdesivir, we have continued to strengthen our presence in immuno-oncology, Daniel O'Day, the company's chairman and chief executive officer, said in a statement. Gilead agreed to buy 47, a maker of drugs that harness the immune system to fight tumors, in March for $4.9 billion. Gilead said in June it will charge U.S. hospitals about $3,120 for a course of remdesivir for most patients. The European Commission also signed a €63 million, $74 million, contract with the company this week to supply the drug beginning next month. In its earnings report, Foster City, California-based Gilead said it has completed the donation of its existing stock of 1.5 million doses of the drug. In addition to having manufactured more than 2 million remdesivir treatment courses by the end of this year, Gilead said it expects to manufacture several million more courses in 2021.